Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making Thai piece chicken with broccoli with less ingredients, yummy in taste. Chicken thigh pieces cut without bones, salt as per taste, pepper powder 1 tablespoon, chili flakes 1 tablespoon. Mix everything. Marinate for 1 hour. Meanwhile, chop the ginger. Chop garlic, broccoli. Chicken has a lean meat, it's built muscles, and when combining broccoli, it complements with the vitamins, minerals, and fiber, supporting well balanced meal. Onion, in a pan, oil 2 tablespoons. Fry the chicken until it changes color. Now it's ready, keep aside. In the same pan, add ginger and garlic 2 tablespoons, chopped onion 1 cup, saute for 2 minutes on medium heat. Now add broccoli 200 grams. Now add fried chicken. Szechuan sauce 1 tablespoon, optional, mix everything. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes. It's ready to serve. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya.